Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a plugin. Also I will remove it and yeah, I will remove it. So I am currently in my dashboard, WordPress dashboard. So I go to plugins, I hover on plugins. After that I go to install plugin. So in this install plugin section I can see all plugins which I installed in my website. So I need to add new plugin, so I just click on add new. So there has a plugin called WP fastest cache. So that is the caching plugin. When we optimize it, we can get fast performance on our website. So let's install it. WP fastest I think fastest cache, and the letters are wrong, so let's try again. Fastest, yeah. Just search here on your plugin. After that you will see a plugin according to your search. So this is WP fastest cache. This is a really great plugin. So you can click on more details. When you click on more details, you can see description mean the what that plugin used for and something like that. After that there is installation, how it install. Also there has I don't know about that. Also there has FAQs. Also there has a screenshot. So then you can see reviews of this plugin. So this plugin has lot of 5-star reviews. That means this plugin is so great plugin. So now you have to do install now. Click on install now. After that it will be installed. So also you can see your that plugin is compatible with your WordPress version or not. So if that plugin didn't compatible with your version, don't try to install it because it will break your website. So after that click on active. So this plugin last updated 1 week ago. So this is really great plugin. So each and every website I use this plugin. By the way, after that I can see I am going to install plugin page again. Currently I am at here. So now this is my install plugin. So I can click this setting link and set up the WP fastest cache plugin. So also I can deactivate it. Okay, I will create separate video for this plugin. For now I will show you how to deactivate this. So just click on deactivate. When you click on deactivate, this plugin will no longer available on your website. So if you use that plugin, don't deactivate or delete. So after that, after deactivate, we can delete if you want. So I just click on delete. This is for only show how it works. So that is how we install and deactivate plugins. So this is a today video. I hope you get some good idea. And yeah, I forgot it. Also there's another way. So you can also search on Google. Just search WP fastest. There we go. Fastest cache. So just search your plugin on Google. So this is my plugin. So I will open it. After that I see the same result which I see on my website. So this way you can download it by zip file. Just click on download. After that you can go to your website plugin page and click on add new button. Come on, hurry up. Yeah. After that click on upload plugin button. Previous way I talk about how to search plugin. Now I show you how to upload your zip file, your plugin as zip file. Okay, just put on here and press on install now. Same process will be happen. After that, click on active plugin. So it's really easy. WordPress is really easy. So let's see on next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and put like on this video. Bye.